I was not expecting this in 2023, but I'm going to show you how it went. I was able to add an additional income stream to my existing business. I'm going to show you how to do the same in 2024. If you're new here, my name's Melissa Mitchell. I own a marketing agency and I specialize in organic marketing. If you're familiar with the term organic marketing, that means strategies that don't use paid strategies. So through these strategies, obviously we do this for our clients in our business, but of course I promote my own business this way. And as a byproduct of that, my own personal brand gained a lot of traction and I started to monetize that personal brand. When you talk about monetizing your own personal brand, so your own personal accounts that attract business to you, you start getting paid by certain social media platforms, and I was earning a decent amount. So, it was starting to go above 5,000 on Facebook, and, other payments were coming in. But then there was other things that were happening where people wanted to buy products off me that perhaps weren't wanting to come to me to pay me per month to manage their social media. So that's where the problem was. There was nowhere for my consumer or my audience to be able to make that transaction. So I was missing out on a huge amount of business, a huge amount of potential, because it was really passive income, it was residual, but there was nowhere for my customer to follow a journey and to be able to make that transaction themselves. So I could see that there was a huge, huge gap there. The gap that was missing was, how do I get my potential buyers that wanted to purchase a digital product from me, or purchase some help from a video, from a content, to make a transaction? How was I going to do that? It was a really simple solution. It all takes place through this one link. So I can package my knowledge up, I can present it, and I don't need to worry about invoicing or anything, because the transaction is taken place all in the one link, and I can update it when I want, or if I update the product, I can simply just go in and do it. So I can then keep it separate from my agency. That is all done, separately through accounting software. This was a different way to target a different audience and to monetize a different sector of my demographic. How simple is that? And I can make money while I sleep. Really, really changed things for me. So my agency is set there. It's going fabulous. But on the side, I then got this whole other world where I can make a video, and it's really rinse and repeat. I don't need to do anything. The content is there. It's in my link. Someone can see a video of mine in a year's time even. It's evergreen. They can click on it. They can purchase it. I can wake up. People can purchase it in any single country. It just converts to their own currency, and I wake up to lots of ching-chings and they've downloaded my product. It's evergreen. So it doesn't matter what product you have. They can book a calendar appointment. They can, whatever you're selling, whether it's a personal service or a digital product, it doesn't really matter. You can do it through this. So it's been an epic journey, and I cannot wait to see what 2024 has an offer for my Snip Feed journey.